and here to assist me, Wilson. And today we will teach you how to make AUD toilet. The materials that we will need is our 1 cup per 250 ml vodka, 60 drops lavender essential oil, 25 drops geranium essential oil, 25 drops of bergamot essential oil, 25 drops of lemon essential oil, 8 drops of rosemary essential oil, 2 drops of sandalwood essential oil, and lastly, 1/4 cup distilled or boiled water. The steps are, you will need a sterilized preferably dark glass bottle with tight fitting stopper. Combine all ingredients into the bottle. Let stand for 1 week shaking daily. Then leave undistributed for 4 to 6 weeks. Keep in cool, dark place. Divide it up into 2 to 3 small bottles. Remember about it begin, so work really quickly and stopper it as soon as possible. Keep the extra bottle full to capacity to make the scent last. That's